You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Oh my god, do I love this word. It is confusing. Indeed, a low concentration in sodium, indeed, in the blood. And it's pronounced hyponatremia. Alright, yes, let's break it down. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. This is a medical term. Hyponatremia. Hyponatremia. The stress is on the tree syllable. It's always about a tree. Hyponatremia. Hyponatremia. It's easy once you know hyponatremia, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.